Diabetes can be difficult to manage. So, whether you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes or blood sugar issues in general, we will be discussing herbs and supplements with a natural approach to balancing blood sugar. Hello everyone, welcome to the Holistic Oasis channel. We are looking forward to bringing you content so that you can heal yourself naturally for a better future. Before we start, I will make this disclaimer. I am not a medical or healthcare professional, and in no way is this medical advice. It is for informational purposes only. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. Your body breaks down most of the food you eat into sugar, glucose, and releases it into your bloodstream. When your blood sugar goes up, it signals your pancreas to release insulin. Insulin acts like a key to let the blood sugar into your body's cells for use as energy. With diabetes, your body does not make enough insulin or cannot use it as well as it should. When there is not enough insulin, our cells stop responding to insulin. Then, too much blood sugar stays in your bloodstream. Over time, that can cause serious health problems such as heart disease, vision loss, and kidney disease. Types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is thought to be caused by an autoimmune reaction. The body attacks itself by mistake. This reaction stops your body from making insulin. If you have type 1 diabetes, you will need to take insulin every day to survive. Currently, no one knows how to prevent type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes. With type 2 diabetes, your body does not use insulin well and cannot keep blood sugar at normal levels. Though you may not notice any symptoms, type 2 diabetes can be prevented or delayed with healthy lifestyle changes, such as losing weight, eating healthy food, and being active. Prediabetes in the United States. About 1 in 3 people have prediabetes. Some do not know they have it. With prediabetes, blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough for a type 2 diabetes diagnosis. Prediabetes raises your risk for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. But you can take healthy steps to reverse it with diet and exercise. Now, what are some natural therapies for you to try with any of these diabetic conditions? Here are some herbs and supplements you can try. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a common plant with various uses. Many people are aware of its benefits for the skin, but it may have others, including slowing the progress of type 2 diabetes. Aloe vera might help protect and repair the beta cells in the pancreas that produce insulin. This could be due to aloe's antioxidant effects. Aloe vera might help lower levels of both fasting blood glucose and hemoglobin A1C. The A1C test is one test that helps doctors diagnose and monitor diabetes. Aloe vera could also 1. Increase insulin levels, boost the health and number of related cells in the pancreas. Protect against diabetic kidney disease, depression, and anxiety by reducing oxidative stress. People who use aloe vera may add its juiced pulp to a drink, such as a smoothie, or take it as a supplement in capsules. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great smelling spice that comes from the bark of a tree. It is probably used in some of your favorite sweets and baked goods, as well as some savory dishes. It is also good in tea. You can get cinnamon as a supplement too. This spice may add sweetness to a dish, limiting the need for sugar. It is popular among people with type 2 diabetes for this reason alone, but it may also have other benefits. Cinnamon may improve levels of fasting plasma glucose or hemoglobin A1C, HbA1c. While HbA1c is one marker that doctors look at when monitoring diabetes, the levels of lipids, cholesterol, and insulin sensitivity are also important. Cinnamon could help reduce fasting blood glucose and insulin resistance in people with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. The type of cinnamon can make a difference as different types contain different amounts of the active ingredient. The dosage of the cinnamon supplement depends upon individual responses and any other current medications being taken. Bitter melon. Bitter melon is a medicinal fruit. People cook it and enjoy it in many dishes. Practitioners of traditional Chinese and Indian medicines have used bitter melon for centuries. Bitter melon may help manage diabetes, as it could lower fasting blood glucose levels, but may not make a difference in A1C levels. Taking bitter melon seeds, juice, or supplements may lead to reduced blood sugar levels in some people. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is used to treat different ailments and is especially known as a tonic for the liver. Milk thistle contains a compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This may make milk thistle a useful herb for people with diabetes. Milk thistle might help lower glucose levels in people with diabetes. Milk thistle could cause nausea, diarrhea, and bloating in some, so you will have to see how you react if using it. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a seed that may help lower blood sugar levels. It contains fibers and chemicals that help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and sugar. There's also some evidence that the seed may help delay or prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes. People with prediabetes may be less likely to receive a diagnosis of type 2 diabetes while taking powdered fenugreek seed. This is because it could cause a reduction in blood sugar resulting from increased insulin levels. To top it off, it may reduce cholesterol levels. You can benefit from fenugreek by taking 5 grams of the seed with 200 milliliters of water 2 times a day before meals. Use it as an herb in cooking or as a supplement. Gymnema sylvestre is an herb that comes from India. Its name means sugar destroyer. This herb can have many benefits such as reducing blood glucose levels, increasing antioxidants, decreasing stress, lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, decreasing body weight and inhibiting fat accumulation, increasing insulin production, and lowering inflammation. You can use either the ground leaf or leaf extract to be beneficial. Ginger is another herb that people have used for thousands of years in traditional medicines. People often use ginger to help treat digestive and inflammatory issues. Ginger can lower blood sugar levels, but not blood insulin levels. Ginger might reduce insulin resistance in people with type 2 diabetes. Ginger could reduce both fasting blood glucose and HbA1c levels. Ways to enjoy ginger are ginger tea, ginger ale, powdered or thinly sliced on raw or cooked foods, and as a supplement. Herbs and supplements may help with diabetes or prevention of diabetes. As with any herb or supplement, consulting a healthcare professional might be advisable. They may want you to start with a lower dosage and gradually increase it until there are noticeable, satisfactory effects. Some herbs can interact with medications that do the same job, such as blood thinners and high blood pressure medications. Obtaining herbs and supplements from high-quality sources is the best approach. Feel free to comment and share any experiences you have with blood sugar issues and what you found helpful. Thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.